Okay, let's dive into this explainer on mastering conference tech setups so you can completely eliminate event day risks. Tell me, what's the absolute fastest way to completely derail a meticulously planned event agenda? Any guesses? Tech failures. Seriously, bad sound or weak Wi-Fi instantly kills delegate focus and completely shatters presenter confidence. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how your tech needs instantly multiply for hybrid events. Let's move to Pillar 1, the essential audio-visual checklist. You've got to verify sightlines from every single seat, secure the right mics, and obsessively check those laptop adapters. Pillar 2, winning the Wi-Fi game. Never assume a venue's standard internet is going to be enough. You have to account for multiple delegate devices, heavy presenter cloud access, and super strict corporate VPNs. Pillar 3, mastering the hybrid setup. Trust me, it takes way more planning than just opening a laptop. Remote attendees must see and hear perfectly. Dedicated cameras and a live online chat moderator are absolutely essential. So, the crucial point is, confirm files early, schedule thorough AV tests, and share precise run sheets. Never assume AV is fully included in your room hire, guys. Always verify the exact package details and costs. Also, don't assume the venue has your cables. Double check for USB-C adapters and always bring backup presentation files. And this brilliantly illustrates why a front room laptop isn't enough. You literally need dedicated room mics for hybrid. So, are you relying on venue assumptions for your next business event, or are you truly prepared?